Good morning everyone. How are you? I hope all of you are fine. I welcome you again in the session of class 4 subject English speaking. And today's our topic is pronunciation. As I have already discussed lecture 1 with you, now this is our lecture 2. This is our lecture 2. In this lecture also I will pronounce 15 more words and you have to listen carefully and you have to try to speak same words in the class. So dear students, you have to listen carefully to pronunciate these words correctly. First of all, let me tell you again the definition of pronunciation. So, pronunciation is the way in which a word is spoken. How you speak that particular word is called pronunciation. Most of the times, most of the people pronunciate the particular word in the wrong way. So, dear students, I am here to teach you, to guide you that how to pronunciate the particular words. Now let's begin. Now let's start with the first one, walk. What we will pronounce it? Walk. Now the second is knife. It's not knife because K is silent over here. It is knife. Now the third word is doubt. Over here, B is silent. And now the fourth word is no. In this word also, K is silent. So dear students, you have to take care of the silent words. I hope you understood. Now, the fifth word is February. Sixth word is Wednesday. Wednesday. Mostly the student pronounce it Wednesday. That is wrong. It's Wednesday. Okay. Now the seventh word is women. It's not woman. It's women. Now the eighth word is toe. It's not Tom. It's toe. Now the ninth word is ball. It's not bowl. It's ball. And the 10th word is buffet. 10th word is buffet. It's not buffet. It's buffet. So you have to pronounce like this only. February, Wednesday, women, toe, ball, buffet. Now let's proceed to the 11th word. So our 11th word is athlete. It is athlete. Now the 12th word is, most of the times, most of the people pronounce it wrong, dengue. That is wrong. It's ding. How it will be pronounced? Ding. Now the third word is iron. Iron. It's not iron. It's iron. Now the 14th word is data. It's not data. It's data. And last but not the least, this word is receipt. Most of the time, most of the students pronounce it as receipt. That is wrong. Beta, you have to pronounce it receipt. I hope you understood all the words. Okay. Right now I am recalling the words again. Listen carefully. Walk, knife, doubt, no, February. Wednesday, women, toe, bowl. Sorry, not bowl, ball. Buffet, athlete. Ding, iron, data, receipt. I hope you understood. And dear student, please try to speak these words like I pronounce it right now. So, in the class also, in the online class also, please try to pronounce the word correctly. First of all, go through this video and then only you will be able to pronunciate these words correctly. I hope you understood. Thank you. Have a good day.